Hi, guys. It is so good to see you today. This is Monday, and we are starting on doing all of our, we're going to start with review, and then we're going to go into new material really next week. So, today, what we're going to do is we are going to review parallel and perpendicular lines. So, let's get to it. I'm going to start some review, and I'm going to show you what I want you to do here in just a little bit, okay? So, first of all, if you remember, we have y is equal to mx plus b. This is a linear function where m is the slope and b is my y-intercept. Okay? So if we have two lines that are parallel, all right, let's do this. And if we have two lines that are parallel, they look something like this. Okay, what do you notice about those lines? You notice about those lines that they have the same slope. They will have the exact same slope, but you can see they have a different y-intercept. Okay, both these slopes are positive. We can see that. It rises from left to right. So these two lines have the exact same slope, but they have a different y-intercept. If we have perpendicular lines, if you remember, perpendicular means that they are going to make a 90-degree angle. So let's see. You know, I'm not very good at drawing. Let's say these two lines are going to be perpendicular and they're going to be a 90-degree angle. Okay, they intersect at 90 degrees. So their slopes are called negative reciprocals. They're negative slopes, reciprocals. Okay? They're negative reciprocals. So what this means is that if I have a slope, let's say that the slope of this one right here is 1/2, then this means perpendicular. A perpendicular slope, I'm going to multiply it by negative. Whatever, if it's positive, I'm going to change it to negative. If it's negative, I'm going to change it to positive. Okay? So it's going to be negative, and then I flip it 2/1, or just -2. Either way. Okay? So if we have parallel lines will have the exact same slope. Perpendicular lines, they're going to be negative reciprocals. Okay? Negative reciprocals, which means you change the sign and flip it. So let's do some practice on this. All right? We're going to do a little practice. Sorry about that. Let's see. Let's take a line here, and we have a line that is pull it down. We have a line, and our line is y is equal to -3x plus 1. You're going to have some work to do today, and what I want you to do is first identify the slope. The slope of this line is whatever this is right here, -3. Remember, we have to keep that sign with it. So my slope is -3. A parallel slope is going to be the exact same thing. Remember, the slopes are the same, so it's going to be -3. Just the y-intercept would be different. And a perpendicular slope, the slope, I'm going to switch the signs. This one's negative, so it will become positive, and flip it. If there's nothing there, it's like it's over 1. It's the same thing as over 1. So it will be 1 over 3. So here is my function, y is equal to negative 3x plus 1. My slope, whatever that m is right there, my slope is negative 3. That means a parallel slope is going to be the exact same thing, negative 3. And a perpendicular slope, I'm going to switch the sign and flip it. All right, so there's one example. Let's look at another example. Y is equal to 2/3 x plus 4. Right? Here's my function. Y is equal to 2/3 x plus 4. This is in slope-intercept form. My slope is 2/3. My y-intercept is 4. So the slope of this line, right here, 2/3. A parallel slope is going to be the exact same, 2/3. Perpendicular, I'm going to switch the sign. This one's positive, so my perpendicular slope will be negative, and I'm going to flip it, 3 over 2. That's all I'm asking you to do today, okay? That is all I'm asking you to do today. I'm going to give you one more example. Right? My example here is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now, this is an equation of a line that is in standard form. Remember that. This is in standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. I want to get this into slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. So I need to solve this for y. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. I subtracted 3x from the left side, so the only thing left now is 4y. I subtracted it from the right side, and I have negative 3x, and I still have the positive 12 over there. Now, I know what 4y is, but I'm going to divide the whole thing by 4. Okay? When I divide this by 4, 4y divided by 4 is y. Negative 3x divided by 4 is just negative 3 over 4x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now, this is in slope-intercept form. The slope of the line is negative 3 over 4. My parallel slope is going to be the exact same thing, negative 3 over 4. And my perpendicular slope I'm going to switch the sign. This one's negative, so mine will be positive. I don't have to write the positive, but I can. And then flip it, 4 over 3. I hope this helps refresh your memory on parallel and perpendicular slopes. And remember, if you have any problem, because you have a worksheet and the little worksheet has 8 problems on it, you're going to tell me what is the slope of a line, what is a parallel slope, and then what is a perpendicular slope. And if you have any questions, remember, I am here for you. You can see me virtually online between 10 and 11 every day and between 2 and 3 every day. I'll be here for you. Okay? Have a great day. I miss you guys, and I will talk with you soon. Goodbye.